Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in billet silver. It looks great. I love the hood on this guy. It looks fantastic. You do have the Jeep badging there with the black accenting on your grille and the very aggressive looking lights there. They are halogen headlights. You do also have your bumper up here. It looks awesome. And you do have the winch on it as well. You do also have your fog lights just down there, and coming around the side here we do have 17-inch rims with BF Goodrich tires. Still lots of tread left on them, and the rims look great. You do have heated exterior mirrors right there, and walking all the way around to the back here we do have, in the true Wrangler fashion, your spare tire just on the back there with your red accented tow hooks. As long as it's unlocked, you just gotta open it up here just like this. Looks awesome back here, lots of room. You do have the cage up along the top there for when you take the top off. You do also have a speaker back here if you want to blast your music. Looks fantastic. Underneath you do have the jack as well. You can also fold those seats forward if you did want. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock all the doors. You got that guy to lock them. You do have 2 presses to activate your remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you. You don't have to go outside in the cold. Now let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside here. So on the door here you do have the lock here as well as your handle, and you got your lock. Got a handle here in leather to put your arm on, very comfortable. Got a stretchy material just down here to put whatever you might want to, and it does look fantastic in here. Very soft as well. The leather is very nice and comfortable. You do have the red accented buttons right here for your sway bar and your axle lock right there. Focus in on those guys. Then you also got the controls over your lights here. So you have your off, your auto, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your fog lights there, and your turning signals. You do have some red accented handles as well in case you are off-roading, keep you nice and safe. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. It also says just over there our average liters per 100 kilometers. You do also have your liters still empty. You have your tire pressure. You got a timer there. You also got vehicle info and your metric, your units, your system, your personal settings, and then the direction we're facing and the temperature outside, as well as your digital speedometer. Now that is controlled from your steering wheel right here with your voice recognition, your call out for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. Around the back of the steering wheel right here you got a volume up and down with the source changer, and then you also have the controls over your windshield wipers right there. Now in the center we do have a 6.5-inch touchscreen display, so you got your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM there, as well as you have your your Bluetooth options here. You got your radio button, your media button. It does also have a built-in hard disk drive here, so if you want to load music right onto it, you can do that. Volume up and down. You get this button here, so you can load your CD into it right there. Looks very cool. You also have your menu here. You got your audio and your files if you did have some. Your USB plugins just underneath there, and your aux cord is right there. You got these guys control your windows, your window lock. These are your your vents, so you can turn them which way, which is very nice. Down here you do have your climate control, so you have your power here with the circulation. You have your AC and heat. Right here you also have where it's going to blow out of. You got your window or your mirror control here, sorry. Heated seats. You have your traction control, downhill assist. You also have this guy's your you have your hazard lights. This one's for an outlet, and you do have your passenger heated seats. This guy controls the 4-wheel and the 2-wheel. You got your gear shift right here, just like that. Emergency brake and your cup holders right here. Over here we have our armrest that doubles as a storage container. You got the top layer there and the bottom layer right there. And over here we do have our locking glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you do have your lock, you have your handle, you have another handle here, and you do have that same stretchy material to put stuff down here. You got that red accented handle there to keep you nice and safe, and it is very nice back here as well. It is leather, same material as the front. You do also have the controls over your windows right there, and you can fold those seats forward like I said, just like that. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.